Unpacking the Taste. Bold and Flavorful. Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a deliciously descriptive pair of words, bold and flavorful. You've probably come across these terms in various contexts, but what do they really mean, especially when used together? Let's break it down and make it as easy to understand as a piece of cake. When we describe something as bold, we're talking about qualities that are strong, rich, and distinctive. In the context of taste, a bold flavor doesn't shy away. It's pronounced and makes itself known. But bold isn't just about taste. It can also describe personalities, decisions, and designs that stand out due to their courage or distinctiveness. Moving on to flavorful. This term is all about taste. A flavorful dish is rich in taste and aroma. It's satisfying and full of flavor. It's the kind of taste that lingers on your palate, inviting you to savor every bite. When something is flavorful, it's packed with deliciousness in every sense. So, what happens when we combine these two words? Bold and flavorful refers to an experience that is not only rich and strong in taste but also memorable and distinctive. It's used to describe food, drinks, or even experiences that leave a lasting impression because of their depth and intensity of flavors. Let's put it into context with some examples. A bold and flavorful coffee might have a robust, deep taste with hints of chocolate or spices. A dish described as bold and flavorful could feature a combination of strong spices and fresh ingredients that create a rich, satisfying experience. Beyond food, a person with a bold and flavorful personality is someone vibrant, full of life, and unforgettable because of their unique qualities. And there you have it. The next time you come across something described as bold and flavorful, you'll know exactly what to expect. A rich, deep, and memorable experience, whether it's on your plate or in your life. Thanks for watching, and we hope this explanation has added a little flavor to your day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty tidbits of the English language. See you in the next video.